Hello, and welcome to another TopTipper demo video. In this short video, we're going to show you what to do the first time you log onto your dashboard after initial sign up. So you've signed up for our service, you've received an automated email back from us to log into your dashboard, which is mydashboard.toptipper.co. The first thing you're going to need to do is complete your Stripe account setup. We have a separate video on how to do that. It should take just a few minutes, but this enables you to accept tips to a designated bank account. If you do not set this up, you will not be able to receive tips. The next thing is figuring out how you want your tipping experience to be. You could be as simple as having simply one property or business location and one QR code that links to that business. You could have multiple locations, in which case you would add them here. You'd follow here, you'd add in Building 1, US, all this other stuff's optional. We'll skip it for right now. You select a manager. You could have this existing manager, or you can add a new manager here. And now you can see you have two locations. The next thing you can do is you can go to here, view the property information. Like I said, you can add additional managers. You can add services. So if you want people to have the ability to select specific services at your business, you could select from our pre-selected list, or you could add your own service here and add it. Same thing with employees. You could list employees and have them listed on the tipping page. So let's go in here and let's pick bellhop, car detailing, car wash attendant, concierge. Okay, let's add those. Then let's add some employees. So let's say Joe Smith, and let's say he's the bellhop. Let's just fix this here. For right now, we're not going to include as a photo, but you could, and that photo would show up on the tipping page. So now you've done that, we can close this. And the other thing you need to do is, if you're going to set your system up in such a way that you're going to have these additional services, you got to go here to the top right menu, select profile, and make sure that your default tipping view is boxes. That will enable drop-down boxes on the tipping page. So now, let's select the URL. Let's go here. You can see which property would you like to tip at. Let's select that. And then which service, let's say the bellhop, and then which employee, Joe Smith. And then the person can put in a tip amount and follow the tipping flow. We hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@toptipper.co. Thank you.